Hello, my loves. I have some drills for you today that will help you increase your balance. The first drill is just a 1-foot balance. And all you're gonna do here is just shift your weight to one side and lift your foot and try and hold it for at least 30 seconds and then switch to the other side. Once you can do this comfortably, go ahead and close your eyes to just give it a little bit of an additional challenge. All you're going to be doing is paying attention to where your weight is shifted. Right now, my weight is shifted to my outside edge. Actually, there we go. My weight is shifted to the outside edge, and that's what's helping me maintain that stability. So chest up nice and high, and just switch back and forth. 30 seconds at a time. Close your eyes if you're feeling fancy. Number 2, the 1-foot glide, which is exactly the same as our 1-foot balance, but we're gonna be gliding just a little bit. Try and hold it for at least 30 seconds or as long as you can. These are all things that are gonna help you with your balance. So we're here and we're gliding, paying attention to where our weight is being shifted. Chest up nice and high, weight shifted to your back, outer edges, and you got a 1-foot balance. Deja, this is cake. What are you talking about? I already do this. Well, if you're feeling really froggy, go ahead and do the same thing backwards. Do your 1-foot glide backwards. We're staying nice and low, and we're doing the same thing backwards.
Right here.
Remembering to stay nice and low because we have shock absorbers. And we're doing the same thing backwards. Woo! The next drill, something called slalom or cone drills. This is gonna help you not only with your sticky skating, but with your agility. And what you're gonna do is just lay either some cones on the ground. I've used old roller skating wheels. Actually, if you don't have cones, don't be afraid to get creative and use something like some wheels. Spread them out, and what you're gonna do is just weave in and out of them, trying not to pick up your feet. And you're doing that by shifting your hips and your shoulders. Whew. Oh, we are in there. We are in there. This drill in particular is really good for going downhill, especially if you're going too fast. You're able to feel comfortable with shifting your weight and losing momentum by controlling your muscles. Next is going to be crossover steps. That's shifting your weight to one side, just crossing your foot over and stepping out, shifting your weight to one side, crossing over and stepping out, shifting to one side, crossing over and stepping out. When we shift over, we should feel comfortable. It shouldn't be fast or hectic or anything like that. If ever we're frantic, we're moving too fast. Just slow down, cross, chill, hang out here, and step out. Once you feel comfortable to do that moving, cross, 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 step out, 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 cross, step out. And then finally, I have an entire video on different types of edge drills that you can do to become more comfortable. Check that out. But in the meantime, all you have to do is pay attention to what edges you are on when you're skating. Think about, okay, what is happening when I'm doing this? And I want to turn. What's happening? I'm moving my weight to my outside edge. I'm lifting my foot, lifting it. Now my weight's still on my outside edge. It's on the front. Now we're on the front edge. Front again. Front inner. Front. Back. Back. So pay attention to what is happening to your body, what you are actually doing, where your edges are. And I promise you, this is gonna be so much easier. So there you have it, some drills that you can do to improve your balance while you're on skates. I will see you in the next one.